What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Osagie here, and today's video we're going to be unboxing the AirPods Pro, so stay tuned. So yes, voiceover Oyi is back again, and this is the beautiful AirPods Pro pack. So now I'm trying to unwrap the seal, and I've gotten this one off. Then you just have to tear off the seal with this, and it's so satisfying to tear off. Let me just tell you, you just tear everything. I'll move that to the side. Now to the quick unboxing of the AirPods Pro. We open it. It's taking some time to open. So now it's open. We see the Apple, designed by Apple in California. We see all the manual, the AirPods manual and all. So we just have to keep that to the side. Then this is the AirPods Pro. So we'll just peel off this plastic that has wrapped it. You know how Apple does this packaging. We'll peel off the plastic. We peel off this plastic. So peel off the plastic and look at the AirPods Pro. Look at the green lights, looking so nice and sleek in white. So here I'll move that to the side. Remove this USB Type-C to Lightning adapter. Also keep it to the side. Then the ear tips. So that's all we have in the box. So that was a quick unboxing of the AirPods Pro. If you guys want me to do a separate video talking about my experience with the AirPods Pro and how it is, this is right now is rocking this nice black case. My only problem so far is that the right one does not stay in my ear. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.